In this video, I am going to discuss about B.Ed first semester Course 1 Childhood and Growing Up syllabus, engagement with fieldwork or practicum and assignment. So in Course 1 Childhood and Growing Up, there are two halves. First half and second half. First half is development and its characteristics. In Unit 1, you have to read growth and developmental pattern of learners. In Unit 2, you have to read stages of development. Unit 3 is different types of development. That is cognitive development, psychosexual development, psychosocial development, moral or pro-social development, development of self-concept and personal identity, etc. Unit 4 is individual differences and Unit 5 is development of personality, concept of personality, type, traits of personality, trait theories, etc. Now the second half is aspects of development. Now in Unit 1 you have to read concept, nature, interrelationship and educational implications of instinct and emotions, emotional intelligence and attitude and attachment. Unit 2 is on motivation. Here you have to read extrinsic and intrinsic motivation, theories of motivation by Maslow, Weiner and McClellan, factors affecting motivation, self-efficacy, locus of control, anxiety, curiosity and their classroom implications. In Unit 3, you have to read attention and interest. That is concept of attention, determinants of attention and their classroom application. Attention span and its fluctuation, distraction, interest and its relation with attention. Unit 4 is on intelligence, that is concept and nature, its distribution across population, factor theories of intelligence by Guilford, Thurston and Garner's theory of multiple intelligence, etc. Measurement of intelligence, that is verbal and non-verbal test of intelligence, and intelligence quotient and education. Unit 5 is on creativity, that is concept of creativity, the components of creativity and its identification and nurturance. In Course 1 Childhood and Growing Up, you have to do any of the following engagement with fieldwork or practicum. The first one is observe the various age group children, early childhood, later childhood, adolescence in various situations like in the classroom, playground, at home, with parents, friends, siblings, and list down the characteristics of them in physical, social, emotional and intellectual domain. The second one is list down different maladjusted behaviors of adolescents which you could identify from the classroom and outside classroom. Take interview of a few and try to understand the factors that may be responsible for their behavior. Third one is visit a school, that is practice teaching and find out the different measures, activities taken by the school or teachers for healthy mental health of the children by interviewing school teachers. The fourth one is observe any one of the successful teacher and list down the behavioral characteristics which impress you. And the last one is list down few classroom learning situations involving insightful learning. Now first year B.Ed semester 1 Course 1 Childhood and Growing Up assignment. Here I have divided 50 first sem students in 5 groups, that is Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D and Group E. In the classroom I will allot your group by random sampling or lottery method. Each group have to solve 10 questions of total 20 marks. Now these are the questions for Group B. Take A4 size page and make a handwritten assignment and submit hard copy. These are the questions for Group C. Take a screenshot of your assignment and make a single PDF and send it to conference@rkmbce@gmail.com. Now these are the questions for Group D. You have to search book or different websites and watch the YouTube videos to solve your assignment. Finally, questions for Group E. At the end of your assignment, you must include a list of references. Here, the maximum word limit for each question is 60. Hope this discussion may help you to solve your assignment. Thank you and stay with us.